In today's video, I'll teach you the way that you can close your Cash App account. If you no longer use this Cash App account or Cash App in general, and you want to make sure that all of your information is deleted, in today's video, let me show you the steps. Now, before you move on to closing your account, make sure you withdraw all of your amount that is available on your cash balance. So inside of the money page, which is on the bottom left, you can see your available balance. If you have any, just tap on the cash out option and you'll have the option of withdrawing this cash directly to your bank account. So make sure you complete this step first of all. Once this step now has been completed, tap on the profile icon on the top right of the page. From the account page, you'll need to head over to the option which says support. So in order for you to close your account, you'll need to contact the support team or head over to the support page. So just tap on this option. Now here inside of support, you'll find this search bar on the top. You can just search for close account in this search bar right here. Now once you search for close account, you'll need to select this option which says close account, and it's going to show you the steps right here. It says you need to select support as we did earlier. Select on something else, but if you are on the Cash App, you don't need to do that. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of this page. Once you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll find the option called confirm. So it's going to give you some information of the things that you need to do before you close your account, such as this process will be permanent and you cannot reverse it. So if you agree to all of that, you can just tap on confirm on the bottom right. Once that step is complete, you'll get an email. You'll need to also confirm it on your email, and then within a few hours, your account of Cash App will be permanently closed. I do hope this guide video did help you out and hope that you were successfully able to close your account of Cash App. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.